13 Top Health Benefits of Burdock Root Tea. Hello and welcome to Jada Therapy. Burdock root has been a holistic medicine for centuries. It is a powerhouse when it comes to antioxidants, which will help protect your body from free radicals. It is brilliant for detoxing the blood by removing toxins from the blood, and improving circulation and much more. I have listed some of the amazing health benefits that drinking burdock root tea offers. 13 Top Health Benefits of Burdock Root Tea. Anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antioxidants, removes toxins from bloodstream, protects against cancer, helps with skin issues, helps treat eczema, help treat acne and psoriasis, detoxes the blood, increases circulation, treats arthritis, improves digestion, diuretic properties. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and for more information check out the links in the description below.